Here's a look at our 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander SE trim level. This was originally purchased here. Only has 32,000 kilometers. And it is accident free as well. Nice infotainment system there. Wireless charging. Driver selector modes there. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and of course panoramic sunroof. Does have available third row seating if need be. Fully adjustable trunk here as well. Seats do fold down completely if you do not need the extra seats. Again, this is the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander SE. Tons of factory warranty remaining as well.